Artificial Jamia, can I say your name today? I wanna show some love, I wanna go show love, but hear my way, hear my way. Official Jamia, I know you doing mukbang and you doing garden. So now I'm over here, I'm showing love, but while you up in your garden, in your garden. Listen, the people say your name are wrong, but I'm gonna say it here for you. Here for you. Official Jamia, there is the things of what I really do for you. Do for you. You support so many people. Hear this song, I'm doing song today. Here today. Send official Jamia, then do you know we got a song for you today. To hear today. Calling her the Jamia, it is a name. When I say the Jamia, we in this game. Official Jamia today, I wanna say. Official Jamia today, I wanna say. I'm wishing you the best today. I say your name, some people looking up today. I rock your name, but with my chest, we showing up. Official Jamia today. We getting up, official Jamia, I say. So what is in? Till I'm over here today, we gonna grin, because I wanna say thank you to my friend. Official Jamia is one of my friends. Oh, when I say the official Jamia, oh yes, I'm saying you. Some people's over here, they doing this and keep it true. Keeping it true, and they say they keeping up. But still I'm over here today, I want to shout you up. I see you grinding, see you shine, yes it's shining bright. But still I'm over here, some people want to say alright. They say you want to keep it up, they want to keep you down. But still I'm over here today, oh yes I shout you out. But when we send the Jamia, oh yes she holding in. Oh yes we over here today, so thanking you my friend. We rockin', rollin', rock, we doing what we do. Some people's over here, you know I got your back on two. So maybe 1 or 3, maybe skipping over 2. Then you say we over here then and you over 52. Say oh what I say when I say it's going on. But let me talk about you when I put it on that song, saying what? Unofficial Jamia, we getting it. Oh yeah, say what? Unofficial Jamia, we rolling in. We rolling in. Send the unofficial Jamia, yes, we having fun. We going to the party, we hanging with everyone. The people coming, vibing, they vibing, know what we do. I know you writing books and it, yes, you keep it true. Your books is over there and the books we're gonna sell. You know the people's over, they at a wishing well. They welling over here and they wishing you in the best. Official Jamia, then we putting up to the test. So when I say the when you say, when we going say today, people let me have some fun when we having fun today. Unofficial Jamia, the Jamia, we say it right. People let me tell you this, so yes, I'm trying to get it right. When I say your name and your name, but when we say today, people let me tell you, other people gonna go and pray. Praying over here to wish and best of cuss for the what? Just for success. I'm over here to just to cut it up. Unofficial Jamia, I say, I'm doing this, I do my way. I'm doing this, I put it up on a beat. So now I'm over here to try to move my feet. Official Jamia, oh yes, I'm showing love. But still I'm over here, yes, I'm cutting up. I'm cutting up, I'm cutting down, I cut for you. So everybody, yes, this song is just for you, official Jamia. I say your name. Some people's in the house, we saying your name. Because we put your name up in the game. Some people saying it wrong, but not they're here today. It's not Jamia, it's Jamia. Some people's over here, but still I'm getting ya. I am your country too, we get this thing tight. So next thing you know, we started on the flight. The flight's over here, the flight is just for me. But still I'm over there, you up, you in your greens, you in your garden, but think about that be. So other people, they saying 1, 2, 3. So now you going back, well now you getting me. Some other people, you saying, so what you geek? You geeking up, you geek with this vibe. But still I'm over here, but still I got your back singing what? Official Jamia, I got you though. I'm still in love, oh yes, I'm buzzing with my flow. Official Jamia, oh yes, this is for you. So now I'm saying, oh yes, and y'all can get it to official Jamia. Make sure you say it right. We going over here to win, we gonna fight. We fighting for the people, fighting for our life. So next thing you know, some people feel alright. Alright with you, alright with me. But still I'm over here, I rock with B. We gonna end it, we end it on it. Official Jamia, oh yes, we own that, get it. Official Jamia, when I say your name.